Hello students, I am Parvesh Kumar from Golden Public School, Muzaffarnagar. In this video, I am going to tell you the summary of the second part of the chapter Glimpse of India. This chapter is taken from class 10th English book. Dear students, as I have already told to you in first video that the chapter is divided into three parts. The summary of the first part I have already described in previous video. In this video I am going to tell you the summary of the second part of the chapter, and the name of the second part of this chapter is Kurg. So let us see the summary of that part. Yes, dear students, Kurg, a heavenly place. Kurg lies between the coastal town of Mangalore and Mysore. It is a very beautiful place like heaven. It must have come from the kingdom of God. Strong men, beautiful women, and wild creatures live in it. Okay, dear students, here we see the description of Kurg. Kurg actually is a place which is just like a heaven. The author tells us the Kurg is so beautiful that it looks like a heaven. Where is Kurg? Kurg lies between the coastal town of Mangalore and Mysore. Okay? Yes, here the author tells us that it is so beautiful that it looks like a heaven. If you visit it, you will find yourself in heaven. It is the place which look like heaven according to author. Okay, student, it must have come from the kingdom of God. Here author tells us that it is so beautiful that it looks like it have come from the kingdom of God. Okay, if we talk about the men they are strong, and women are beautiful. And if we talk about the wild creatures, there are wild creatures also. That means overall we can say Kurg is like a heaven. Okay, now yes, Kurg's weather and environment. If we talk about Kurg's weather, Kurg weathers and environment, Kurg or Kodagu, we can say Kurg or we can say Kodagu, is the smallest district of Karnataka. Dear students, Karnataka is a state of India, and in Karnataka, Kurg is the smallest district of Karnataka. You can understand. It have evergreen forest, spices, and coffee plantation. Simply, we can say greenery all over. Yes, many visitors come to it between September and March. Why they come between September and March, dear student? Because the weather is fine then. Weather is fine then. So the visitors come it between September and March. Yes, the air is full of coffee flavor. As we know, it has green forests, spaces, and coffee plantation. Okay, so when visitors come to visit the place, okay, the air of that they find that air is full of coffee flavor. Yes, if we talk about pupil of Kurg, let us see origin. Yes, yes, the people of Kurg are of Greek or Arabic ascent. The story goes that a part of Alexander's army settled here. Okay, the Kurg, the people of Kurg are of Greek or Arabic ascent. Okay, when they came here, we can say there is a story about it that a part of Alexander's army settled here. Its returns became impractical. Okay, when Alexander was returning from India, a part of his army settled here, okay, because it was impossible for them to return. These people married among the locals. This culture is seen in the martial traditions, marriage and religious rites. Rites. The Arab origin is seen in the long black coat worn by the Kodaos. It is known as kopia. Yes, dear students, as the story tells us that these are the people who belonged to Alexander's army, came from, yes, Greek, but they didn't return. They settled here and they married among the locals and now became the part of Kurk. Yes, they wore long black coat and it is known as kopia. It is like khofi worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. As the Arabs wore kofia in the same, here Kurds also wear black coat that is known as kopia. Okay, now Kurg and its people, Kurgi, the people living in Kurg known as Kurgi. Kurgi's home has a tradition of hospitality. The people have many tales of bravery. That means they are brave and they have many tales of bravery. Kurg regime is one of the most decorated in Indian army. Okay, students, just we know there are regiments in Indian army, just like we know Maratha regiment, Jat regiment. In the same way, there is a Kurg regiment in Indian army, and the regiment is known for its bravery. Okay, students, General Keriappa, you have listened her name, his name. The first army chief, he was the first army chief, General Keriappa. He was a Kurg. He was a Kurgi. Okay? Yes, even today, Kodaos are the only people in India to carry sorry, firearms without a license. As you know, in India, if we carries a firearm, we have a license for it, but cooks can carry a farm without a license. They are permitted by the government, okay, due to their bravery, due to their devotion to the country. Yes.